아무렇지 않은 척 하지만 흔들리는 시선이 헤매이다 그대에게 표정을
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is your friend Shinobi, and in today's video we're gonna discuss about the Lenovo Smart Clock Essential. So if you have bought any smartphone, laptop or any other big electronic items from Flipkart recently, then you must have received a few coupons in which there was one coupon for the Lenovo Smart Clock Essential, which usually retails for about 35.99 rupees or roughly $50. But with that particular coupon, I got it for 1999 or around $25, and that in my opinion is a great price for a very smart alarm clock that surprisingly has amazing speakers. Alright, so in this particular video we're gonna unbox this, we're gonna set it up, and then we're gonna check out the features, some of the features. Yeah. Alright, so first let's unbox it. So the box is pretty big and it's white purple. There's a lot of branding, and after that, when you open up the box, inside you'll get the Smart Clock Essential and a power adapter with a manual, which we don't need. And yeah, alright, so that's it for the unboxing. You don't get anything else. Now let's just quickly jump into the setup process. Alright, so in order to set the Lenovo Smart Clock Essential, you just have to open your Google Home app on your smartphones and then just connect it to that particular app. And yeah, you can just follow the on-screen instructions. It's pretty easy. It will be easily connected. Then you can like set up routines and stuff with Google Assistant and do all that, because this is a smart speaker which comes with Google Assistant, and it can do everything that a Google Nest Mini can do. Alright, now let's talk about the main stuff. So the design is pretty great. It looks really minimal, it looks really classy with the black front and the mesh body, and it has thick rubber feet which like give it really good grip on different surfaces, and there's a small Lenovo branding at the top. You also have a few buttons at the top. There's a volume plus and minus button, there's a play pause button, and there's an alarm button which you can use to set alarms and check alarms. Alright, and at the back you can see a barrel plug, which is the main power plug, and then there's a mute switch and a full-size USB port which you can use to charge different devices. So as I said, this has Google Assistant built in, so you can do everything with your voice. You don't necessarily need to press the buttons for everything. So yeah, it's pretty handy and it works really well, surprisingly. Okay Google, what's the weather like?
Right now in Kolkata, it's 33 degrees with haze. Today, it will be partly cloudy with a forecast high of 35 and a low of 28. Due to the current humidity, it feels like it's 46.
You have two far-field microphones at the front just above the display, and yeah, they are really good. They can hear you even when the music is playing. That's really nice. And talking about the music, since this is a smart speaker, we generally don't expect them to have good sound, but this one sounds pretty amazing for the size, and I'm really surprised. The bass output could have been a little more, but the clarity and the treble and all that is amazing. This is a very good sounding speaker. Alright, now at the front you have this big display. So this is an LED display, and yeah, it has the clock, it has the weather report, and it has the day and the alarm, so you can check your alarms here. Alright, and you can like, it will show you the date, time and all that, and yeah, it adjusts the brightness automatically according to the environment, and yeah, it's pretty nice. And yeah, here is a sample of the audio quality and like checking the weather with Google Assistant. Okay Google, what's the weather like?
Right now in Kolkata, it's 33 degrees with haze. Today, there'll be isolated thunderstorms with a forecast high of 35 and a low of 28. Due to the current humidity, it feels like it's 46.
Alright, so that's about it for my unboxing and first impressions about the Lenovo Smart Speaker Essential. I'm really liking this device. I think it is worth my money because I can use it to control all my lights and stuff. And yeah, that's a very good thing. and it is a table clock which sits at my work desk, and I can like ask anything to it. So yeah, if you like this video, then don't forget to hit that like button. Definitely subscribe to the channel to see more amazing videos like this, and yeah, also turn on the notification bells to get notified about my new uploads. With that said, I'm your friend Shinobi, and I'm signing out. Peace.